Welcome to Northern Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. Yeah, you were saying the supporters came in numbers.
Yeah, and the main reason why we did have a lot of supporters today is because of the performance they gave
On Saturday.
Yeah. So this game, it was a must-win game.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, Athazwane never let us to take our own 3 points. He did make sure that he disturbed us. He did make sure that his boys, they go all out. It's either they get 3 points or draw. That is why if you see after the game, they were celebrating. Amazulu was celebrating. That was a big win for them.
Win for them.
Yeah, because remember, Athazwane used to coach Kaizer Chiefs, and things didn't went well. So for him, he wanted to prove to anyone that he can coach.
Exactly.
Yeah. Going forward, I think Nabi. I think it's time. He have been testing. To my side, I think all the time he was testing the players to see which player can be fit for Kaizer Chiefs for starting 11.
Yeah.
I think now is time where he can say, okay, I have my starting 11. I can take this one and this one and this one. The reason I'm saying this, I don't think it's my take. I don't think Mthethwa is good quality for Kaizer Chiefs.
Why
for my side? Looking at Mthethwa's performance, let me go back to the past games.
Yeah.
He was starting with the games. Those games we were losing. We were playing at Polokwane with Polokwane City.
Yeah.
He made a lot of mistakes.
And you lost there.
Then we did lose the game. Then we were playing a free agent on Nedbank Cup. They didn't put Mthethwa on first half. What happened? We were performing. It was high performance. We did score 2 goals.
You got clean sheet also. Yeah.
Yes. Then Mthethwa came in. Even if we did score another goals, 2 goals. But if you check, after Mthethwa coming in, then our speed went down.
You dropped a little bit, yeah.
We did drop. The performance we were performing, sharing balls, it wasn't there anymore. Because the only problem is having Mthethwa. Each and every ball he receives, he turns. He want to go back. He do back passes, too much back passes. Remember when they pass him the ball, they take a run. They expect him to give back the ball.
Move forward, yeah.
Yes, but what do? He just go back. That's where I think he must fix himself, or else the coach must just take him and Mart.
Yeah.
Put them on the bench at least for 2 or few games, so they can learn something out of that. Because I think we have quality at Kaizer Chiefs. That one I'm 100% sure.
Yeah.
And again, for Chivaviro, Ranga, the way he's positioning himself, I think you can see that this guy is a good player by positioning himself. But the problem, he never got the momentum. That's the problem. Yeah, he's still searching. I think if he can score 2 goals in one game or score goals in a row.
Consecutively so, yeah.
Yes, I think that's where he can gain momentum. I was disappointed from what the supporters were doing to him. Like there were people using vulgar words, there swearing at him. That guy is a player, is a good player. He's a good player, I know that. Those players who were doing that, if coming games, if Ranga scored, they will be posting him and say he's a good player. They will be talking good things about him. But now that guy, he never done anything that can cost us. He never done that. He just running out of luck. But I think one day he's gonna get better.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Yo Banana. All
Thank
the
you
best
very
on
much.
Friday.
Again, I just wanna we cut it.
No problem.
I just wanna say something.
Yeah.
About Lulu MP. He was our soldier. He was soccer fan. He wasn't just a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. No, that guy likes soccer very much. No matter is Pirates playing Sundowns or Magpies is playing, what you'll see Lulu there. So what I'm saying to the supporters, for the soccer lovers, I'm saying, guys, let's go in numbers and go and support Lulu's family. Just show love to them, because Lulu, he was a loving and caring person. He used to make jokes.
Exactly.
Yeah, he looked like
Traveling all over. Yeah.
traveling all over. He can greet you no matter what, taking pictures. So guys, let's do the right thing.
Yeah.
We love him. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you.
And before you go, when is he going to be laid to rest? Is it on Sunday or Saturday?
They said they will let us know. For now, we don't know anything. So we are waiting for them to let us know.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you so much. May his soul rest in peace.
Thank you very much.
Echada, Joe Banana. Hola, Echada. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Echada.